Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Sheets. So the first step is to navigate to Chrome Web Store, so go over to chromewebstore.google.com and here in this search bar search for Night Eye. Click on dark mode / Night Eye. Here click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Now it will add this extension to your Chrome. And here, as you can see, dark mode Night Eye has been added to Chrome. Here just wait a bit while it is enabled. You can see that you have it here. And it will apply it to your Google Sheets. So refresh it, and as you can see, the night mode is enabled. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.